Yeah, good afternoon. Those are Longo Boys, Queen. Good afternoon, my name is Macharia.
My name is Njomo. And thank you so much for being tuned.
Yes.
At File FM.
File FM.
Yes.
Oh yeah, Inooro, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Aluminium file. Yeah.
How are you doing, Joy?
I'm doing great.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice to see you again.
You're welcome.
And why are you coughing?
No, I'm not coughing.
Do you have a cold?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay. 100% okay. How are you doing?
I'm well. I cannot complain. And I thank the Lord. Yeah, for being alive today and being energetic again and again. And I'll always thank the Lord.
Yeah, it's true. I'm coughing. I think I have a problem with my chest. I think, I have a problem.
Yeah,
I'm catching cold, you know.
You should be checked, okay?
By who?
By the doctor.
Okay.
Yeah.
So today is Tuesday.
And I'm being on a Tuesday. When is today? When the date today?
No, I just told you that today is
the date
21st of October.
Oh.
Yes.
The month is around the corner, right?
Yes.
And you're almost done in October.
Yes.
Never leave yourself.
Yeah, and we are feeling. So you're much welcome. My name is Joy Macharia. Macharia to be specific.
My name is Njomo.
Yeah.
Continue. You're the host.
No, you won't tell me that I'm the host. You don't want to talk. You're telling me that you are the host.
You're the host.
You're leaving me in the career.
Take the lead. You should take the lead. I follow. You lead. I follow. Ikabigo lagi tu. Ikabigo.
Tuluganda Swahili combination. Yes. Washington.
Inooro. Shesheni hakuwe nawe.